Hi Kim, I just thought I'd make a quick screen recording of the mock-up that I was working on before I contacted you guys. I was just trying to make the introductory sort of image more interesting. I think the slideshow is a bit boring, to be honest. So there's this rolling video, and then you can't see the text very well when it's light, but you can see. I was trying to ask sort of maybe or point out there's a lot of retreats, and that's potentially a pain point for people and something that we believe we can help with. So then that was the two buttons. What I really want to show you actually is the form. Ignore the background and whatever, but this form that I mentioned that could be used instead of Typeform is basically allows you to have different types of questions, text questions, tick boxes, radio boxes. This is like a checkbox, I guess, but driven by using imagery instead. So this would be sort of an example of like an introductory question that you could ask somebody that would be relevant to everybody that visits the site. What are you looking for, kind of thing. And then from there, when they click on this button, you can set this so that it automatically progresses. You don't have to click on next, but anyway, you could then ask them a question that's relevant to the activity they've selected. So in this case, when they click on next, this is a very long question. This is not exactly as it should be. But the point that I'm trying to highlight is that you could then ask somebody about yoga so that they understand. Oh, yeah, they're asking me specific questions, and within that, it can be a question that's sort of a pain point, that's also a point of interest, something that they wouldn't get asked by going to other websites. So you can see, I think on this now, I can't remember if I've got it set up, when I click on detox, yeah, it asks you a particular question about the detox. Have you attended a detox before? Yes, I have been. Are you looking for a specific? Yes, I'm interested in a particular type of detox. And then it reacts. You can see there, if I'd have selected no, then it doesn't give you the options. If you say I'm looking for something particular, it gives you more options. So, like I say, I think this is potentially quite a nice format to use, and it's comparable to Typeform. It's pretty simple, it's pretty clear. Like I say, I'm really keen to get people to, one, get in touch with us. And that's one of the main things, is explain what we do, get in touch, and start to learn just a little bit of information about what people are actually looking for on this site, because we can react to the kinds of customers we get in, and we can react to what they're looking for. If we find that there's a lot of people looking for a type of retreat that we don't offer, then that's fine. We can pivot and we can adjust. So I just wanted to just make that clear. I know it's you're kind of at the start of looking up the mock-up. Okay, well, I hope that makes sense. And if there's any questions, then be sure to to email me. I hope this helps. Thank you.